welcome you all to the CPG Technology Commercialization Series in partnership with the Dhahran Techno Valley. We're launching this series with the first joint workshop between the College of Petroleum Engineering and Geosciences, CPG, and our industrial partner, TAQA.
Great event. We're starting this series. We invite on all our faculties, research, and industrial partners to raise the awareness. Our target when you do any research is to have an impact eventually. Today marks an important transition from exploration to execution.
All of these events trying to bring forth technologies and commercialization, all is about making connections. And these types of events make those connections. So hats off for that.
From the industrial, the company with the most hunger for success and growth. And I think CPG and TAQA are the right mix.
Welcome to our panel today titled The Role of the Ecosystem in Accelerating Technology Deployment.
That's required for the ecological development, leveraging the energy sector.
Our focus in 2026 is therefore guided by one central principle: maximizing the impact of research beyond publication by translating it into deployable technologies that serve the broader ecosystem. This principle is the foundation of the CPG Technology Commercialization Series.
In the past decade, here at CPG, we get the opportunity to produce thousands of articles and hundreds of patents capitalizing on our research facilities and our research capabilities.
Many technologies that has been developed and invented by CPG. There is very interesting technology that we would like to commercialize.